Welcome to this video about LeadsGO as seen from a standard user perspective. And we are going to look at the LeadsGO collector and act and the basic user functionality as seen in the browser. So this is an alternative to downloading and using the mobile apps. You can just go to leadsgo.com and use the web functionality. It covers the same services and functions. Just go to leadsgo.com and press sign in, and then you use your username and password, same as on the mobile app, and press sign in. And this is basically the functionality that you have available. So there are 3 or 4 different possibilities here. You have the collector functionality. That's all the leads that you have created yourself and shared or not shared with a company. And below that, if there are any leads that are assigned to you, they will pop up here and give you access to work on lead qualification and sales. At the bottom of the page, you just see the simplistic overview of how LeadsGO works. So in the menu to the left, you have the home page, which we are on now. You also have access to dashboard for the companies or accounts that you are linked to. You have access to the collector functionality that I just opened now, which is basically a replication of the functionality and the views that you have in the mobile app. And then if you go back to the home page again, we can look at the collector that we just did, and there is also act functionality. So from here you get an overview of all the leads that are assigned to you for sales or qualification. In this case, there is no leads assigned to this user at the moment. So let's go in and look at the main functionality for the collector. You can access it here, or you can also access it from here. Either create the lead or view your own leads, or just go to the main screen. So let's go to the main screen. Here you have the same as in the LeadsGO mobile app. You have an overview of information about yourself, a name, a number of points collected. In this case, it's a totally new user, so no points and no leads created. You have the possibility to create a new lead, and below here you would show all the leads that you create. So let's just create a new lead. So a company name, the company, and then contact, Mr. Contact, for example, email contact at leadsgo.com, mobile number, and this is a description. In this case it's a test. So, and then I'm going to send it to my demo account and indicate if it's a hot, warm or cold lead. So let's put it as a warm. You can also click on this to link a picture to it, for example, of a business card or the home page, etc. And then you just press save. So now a lead is created, and that it's with this description and elements, and it's assigned to the demo account. So let's go back to the previous page, and here you have the home page of the collector functionality, and here you see the leads is showing up here, and it's automatically accepted, and you have received 15 points rewards for that lead. If you now go back to the home page of your user again, you see here that the lead is also showing up here as a lead that you have created. You also see to the right here number of accounts that you are linked to, number of leads, this lead that you just created, and you just received 15 points for that lead. But there are no value assigned to it, and some other information, and still no leads assigned to you as such. Beyond that, you have access to your own user profile, that you can change your name and enter your mobile number. You can also change and set alert functions if you want to receive, or if you don't want to receive email alerts on events happening in the system. So that's basically it. You sign in with the same username and password as on the mobile collector app or act app. And then you see all the leads that you have created, all the leads that are assigned to you, with some statistics on the accounts and the number of points, etc. to the right. Then you have access to a dashboard. You also have access to the collector functionality that we just looked at, and all act functionality also that are relevant if leads are assigned to you, and also access to your own user so that you can set and change information and password on your user from within the web browser. That's in short the functionality available in the browser for a standard user of LeadsGO. Thanks for listening and happy hunting.